today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your payment options on Shein. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Whether you want to update your payment methods, remove an old card, or simply keep your account information up to date, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all you need to handle these changes with confidence. Before we begin, make sure that you have your current account credentials handy because we'll be diving right into your profile. Ready? Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Shein homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. It's as easy as that. Once the site loads, you'll see the homepage filled with various fashion items and promotional banners. Your primary task is to head over to your personal profile. Now, don't be overwhelmed by all the shopping options. Instead, look for the profile icon. It's typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Give that a click and you'll be directed to your personal space on Shein. Once you're in your profile, the next step is to locate the section titled My Payment Options. This is the part of your profile where Shein stores all your saved payment information. Clicking on it will take you to a page that displays the various payment methods you have saved to your account. Here, you'll see the credit cards or other payment methods that you might have used for prior purchases on Shein. To remove a card, simply find the specific card you wish to delete. You'll see an option marked Remove beside each listed payment method. Click the Remove button next to the card that you no longer wish to use. If you have multiple cards, ensure you're selecting the correct one to avoid deleting a card by mistake. Confirm your choice if prompted, and just like that, the card will be removed from your payment options. This step is particularly useful if you've lost a card, it's expired, or you've transitioned to using another preferred method of payment. And there you have it, you're all done. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully managed your payment methods on Shein. Keep in mind that it's good practice to regularly review your payment settings to ensure everything is current and secure. This way, the next time you're checking out after a successful shopping spree, you'll have no surprises along the way. If you need to add a new card or update your existing details, simply head back to My Payment Options and follow the prompts to manage your payment preferences. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your Shein shopping experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.